Hi, what's up guys? Welcome to the Oasis Smart Villa. I'm Fikra from Breig Property. I will show you around. Before that, don't forget to leave like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So we are now in Canggu, one of the prime locations in Bali for real estates. Currently we are at the luxury Oasis Smart Villa, and let's take a look inside. We got a swimming pool here. You can have your breakfast or maybe read some book over here. From smart home automation system to energy efficient design features, this villa leverage the advancement in architecture and engineering to enhance the luxury living experience. Hey Siri. Play some music. In the living room, we are provided with smart features like Apple Smart Home Device, Smart TV, and control panel to adjust the light and curtains. As you can see, we got stunning kitchen with the color tone that looks appealing and expansive. Now we're on the upstairs. You can do your work in this spacious working space. As you can see, it's quite calm and it is directed to the window, so you can get more enough natural light, so it increases your productivity. We have two spacious bedrooms, one on the first floor and the second one on the upstairs. Each bedroom has smart charging, smart curtains, and the last one, smart mirror technology. Come take a look inside the bathroom. And here we got the access to the rooftop. Follow me. Not that spacious, but still can give you good vibes to chill in this afternoon. This villa is for lease start from $365,000 for 28 years of leasehold with 16% of ROI and $260 for average daily rate with a building size of 102 until 136 square meters. You can contact our team for further information. Thank you.